Alright, so you want to play Terraria on a multiplayer server with a bunch of your friends, and you don't want to have to go through the port forwarding process. Well, I have a method for you that's quite simplistic, and you'll be playing with your friends in no time. So you want to head over to Steam over here, and you want to click on Terraria in your games list, and you want to head over to the settings cog. You click on that, manage, browse local files, and you'll scroll all the way down, and you'll see Terraria server. So you want to run that, and this should show up. Then you want to select any world you want. You can even create one, but I'm just going to select one I've already made. You just press enter for Max players. We don't want to mess with any of this stuff. And then automatically port forward, you want to set that to N. N for no, we do not want that. And then server password, we don't need one, so just press enter. And now a server is running on your local machine. In order to join this as the host, you can just go to Terraria, Multiplayer, Join VIP, and then 127.0.0.1. That's your local machine's IP. Just put that in. Just say found server, and voila, you're in. Rumi is joined. But that's not what we're here for. We're here to see how a different person on a different computer can join your server. In order to do that, you need something called Remote.it, highlighted right here. In order to get this, you need to go to Google Chrome, type in Remote.it, just like that, and you want to head over to download on this website right here. You'll get a whole list of different devices that Remote.it supports, but we're just going to go for Windows. And this link right here, just want to click download on that. Once you do that, you'll get this right here, the Remote.it installer. But I've already installed Remote.it, so I do not need that. I already have it right here. And we're just going to run Remote.it. Should take a second to boot up. It's going to ask you to make an account. I already have one. You're going to need to make an account. And as soon as you've done that, you can add a device by clicking this button right here. So click add device. You select your system, your Windows computer. It should take a second. Just add device, okay. And your Windows PC is being registered. Just give it a second. All right. And it should start just like that. Then under services, you want to go over to this add service button. You want to click that. And you want to head over to more. And then scroll all the way down to Terraria. And then it should say service found. All of that good stuff. Then you head over to save. Now you've set up a server on Remote.it for Terraria. As you can see, you're on the same device as the server, so you do not need to connect using Remote.it. You can just use your own IP, but that's not what we're doing. We're going to head over to access. So this is where you're going to add your other friends. After you click on Terraria, it's going to give you an option for access. So you click add access, and you want to go over to a different email. So I'm going to add another one of my emails. I'm going to add this as a user who can join the server. So just press share on that. You should see that now my device is being shared to this other guest that can join this server whenever they feel like it. So Terraria is currently running on that server, as you can see. Now you want to head over. I'm just going to sign out on this. I'm going to sign in with my other account. Just sign in like that. As you can see, it's signing in on a different account. This would be on your friend's computer. I don't have another computer, so I'm just going to do it like this. So you see, it's going to load for a bit. All right. As you can see, this is being shared to me from that other account. You can see that it says connect. You'll have to connect, and an IP should show up just like that. And just give it a second to connect. You want to copy this IP because you're going to need to put this into Terraria as a friend. This is what your friend's going to need to do. As you can see, kind of connected to the computer. So you want to go over to Terraria, Multiplayer, Join VIP, select your character. This is your friend. Again, I have to keep saying this. It's important. So you want to put this in as the IP, as it says right there, before the colon, this entire thing as the IP. That goes in right there. You press accept, and then the server port is whatever shows up, which is 33,000 right there. So you want to go to 33 and 33,000. And this should be your friend being able to join you on your server. It's quite simple, very easy to do, very easy to understand. I hope you guys are able to follow the process. If you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer them in the comments, help you out even further. But that's been me. And I hope you have fun with your friends on Terraria. And I'll see you guys a different time.